Alright guys, how we doing? I'm back with a video. Oh my god, it's been so long since you made a video. I'm sorry, I've been busy. We are going to wench on the RC and I'm going to talk about what I've been up to. Because my phone broke it. It got stuck in left turn, see? So we're gonna use first the gallbone. If you take a look here. There's your gallbone. It came out a little, so we're going to fix the gallbone. Now I'm trying to get to where you could actually see it. That one. Reach over here. I do have a microphone on, so closer to me, so you guys can actually hear me. If I go this way, yep. I probably will make a video next summer after I graduate high school. It will be probably an emotional video, but it will be a video nonetheless. That way you guys have something to watch. Now I'm going to unscrewing the hub right here. So up here, this is the wheel, the axle, so this thing can go. Flip it over here. Now I am going to clean this, but I'm going to do that off camera because you guys don't need to see me clean a RC because everybody have their own way of cleaning RC cars. Nothing like a Tuesday morning here wenching on the RC. But yes, I've been busy, living life. Living the dream, as some of you may know from Five Finger Death Punch. There we go. But just like that, see? It's shrinking. I got how I could turn this wheel. And now, as you could tell, it is shrinking. And it's literally the most easiest repair you could ever do to a RC car. Because I had this problem before. And that's all you need to do is swipe the wheel hub, the gallbone here, and boom, you have it up and running again. Now what I like to do here is, I like to try to line it up. So what I like to do, I like to take the gallbone out. Just try to turn it so it faces upwards, and then stick this piece in there. So what I did was I turned that white piece you see in there. I basically turned the wheel so the white piece will turn upwards. And then I stuck the gallbone, which that is, back in there. Then I quite literally just, I'm going to quite literally just sit the gallbone back in the axle hub. Now I will do an up close camera by giving you both of my hands for this. But I'm not going to like, okay, something, could this crack? No. Yeah, some kind of good case, boom. Good case of little Moves in here, let me get it. Then you go screw it back together. Boom. But yeah, I've been really good. I got cook a boy from YouTube because I'm like, I've been going through a lot this past 2 years, so I got cook a boy from YouTube. I got try to live life. Obviously, I had my friends over this past Sunday, but I had to fix this RC car because I got stuck in left hand turn, which happened which always sometimes happens, but hey, I've been doing pretty good. Got where I can make a video so you guys see at least something fun. I feel why not make it on the LC, call me watching on the LC. See, just like that, and while stuck in left hand steering, it can move just fine. The gallbone is reconnected. That happened because we make a sharp left turn and hit some kind of gallbone does itself. Now let me get a battery so we could test this thing. I could talk to you guys a little more. One continuous botch. One continuous shot is what we're doing today. Yes. This will take no editing. None. Okay, no editing, hopefully. So it could be one continuous shot. I love it. Unless we do some magic of TV, which I don't think I'm doing with this shot. I mean, I could if I wanted to, but Put that in there. Set the battery in place. No, I do not have the wheel on. I want to make sure it works before I put the wheel back on. Face the focus side towards me. On. Works beautifully! Sorry for the awkward quiet. I will probably cut it out till I say it works beautifully. Dang it, now I'm glad we edit this. Oh well! It's part of YouTube and TV magic. I probably would edit this anyways. I one continuous shot could make it sound like I'm doing one continuous shot. It's part of life. I'm gonna put the wheel back on, but I'll give it off camera. This video of me fixing ARC car because of a pack of a broken anyways. I'm going to actually clean this one and the other one today, but I'll give that off camera. Like I said, I got a bit busy with life, haven't really been filming much, because filming in public is really weird, and when I hang out with my friends, they're not used to me filming, so I don't do it. But next time when I hang out with them, I probably will film it. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll catch you guys in the next video soon. Goodbye, people of Minnesota.